Well, what do you say we finish up our work here in chapter section 10-3, geometric sequences and series, with the last example, number 6, which is found on page 677, where we're going to find the first term of a series. Here we're asked to find A1 when the partial sum of the geometric series is negative 26,240, n is equal to 8, and r, the common ratio, is equal to negative 3. Let's start plugging in some numbers to our formula, which is Sn equals A1 minus A1 times the common ratio raised to the power of n over 1 minus less the common ratio. So Sn, we got negative 26,240 equals A1 is what we're going to find. A1 less A1 times negative 3 raised to the power of 8 over 1 minus our common ratio of negative 3. Okay, so here we're going to be, and let's think about this A1. We can think of this as 1A1 less. All right, let's see what negative 3 to the power of 8 is. Negative 3 caret 8. Let me see. I got to put that in parentheses. Let me clear that or I'm going to be messed up. Negative 3 caret 8. Well, I keep hitting the wrong button. There we go. That's much better. That equals 6,561, and I'm going to write it like this, 6561 A1, our variable being A1, first number in the series. And let's see, 1 less negative 3, that's going to be make that positive 3, so it's going to be 1 plus 3, that's going to all be over 4. So let's go. We got negative 26,240 equals, so 1A1 less 6,561 A1 is going to give me negative 6,560 over 4. So I think I'm going to do that. Let's go negative 6,560 divided by 4. divided by 4, which is negative 1640 A1. Oh, I forgot my A1 right there. Better put that in. So this is going to equal negative 1640 A1. And so we got negative 26,240 equals negative 1640 A1. So I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by negative 1640 to isolate the A1. I'm going to find for A1, so I've got negative 26240 divided by negative 1640. Enter, and I have now determined that A1 is equal to 16. Shazam! I have found the first number of the term of a geometric series using the partial sum formula when I have been given what the partial sum is and n and the common ratio and have found for A1. Don't you just love it?